well, I say last night, but it was this morning right before I got on at like 6 a.m. And I seen that you auto host me. I don't know if I have you on auto host. I need to put you and Malco on auto host.
Sorry. Take this job. Okay.
Damn, I thought we could go right there.
Enemy missing
We
middle.
gotta support the boys.
Enemy spotted.
Yo, I followed. Okay, so like the other day, I hosted a console smite player, and like just to do it, and he went off. Dude, he went like 13 and like 1 or some bullshit.
Be careful, middle.
No, it was like 14 plus kills. He had like 14 plus kills, and he had a crazy good game. Like, dude, that was like the easiest. Like, I was just gonna host him, but that was honestly just like the easiest follow of my life. My boy has a big brain. If you go to my my following, it's like Howard the Post or Howard on the Post.
Be careful, right. Enemy missing middle. Enemy missing middle. Okay. Cancel
First
that.
blood.
How did he die?
And a woman's mirror sounds good.
What the fuck?
Let's go, baby.
Nice job.
How'd my honor die? Feels bad. Art trap? What the shit? He's trolling me.
Enemy missing right. Be careful, middle.
Among other reasons,
Enemies in the right
was
jungle.
created to magnetize,
Bye.
tantalize, passionate, for secrets.
Be right back.
I wonder why she never taunted me out of fire. Who knows? Caught that bitch mid dash.
Doink.
Free kill. Let me just hit my boy up with a nice job.
No problem. You are fabulous. Thanks. You're something else.
You're something else.
Enemy missing middle.
Hey Nitro, how's it going, brother? I saw. When did Mo get Masters? Did she get Masters with us?
Enemy ultimate down.
Or am I just trolling? Like, am I just forgetting shit? What a freaking nature. Dude, what made that funny?
Let's go, baby.
Be careful left. Enemy missing. Bye.
I remember we used to always say that. And that was like the funniest shit.
Enemy
Okay,
missing.
I thought so.
Be careful.
Good shit.
That will make them scream. Enemy spotted.
I probably should have grabbed a sentry ward and not a
Enemy
normal
missing
ward.
right.
Movement speed buff free.
Enemy missing right.
Can I get an amen for passionizing? Yes. So yeah, I'm glad.
I'm actually having a really good rank conquest win streak right now. And then my lane's going super well. Like I'm having a good morning for
Your
smite.
friends close. Your enemies closer.
My Onhurst kind of trolling me, dying to that art trap like wave 3, but you know, it is what it is.
On my way.
Dude, I hate when that shit happens. That was me yesterday, dude. Not yesterday. What day did I play D&D with the boys? Like 2 days ago?
Your middle tower is under
2 days
attack.
ago I had a trash day. 2 games of a troll, dude. That's how that shit always happens, bro. Yeah, thanks for the ultimate, idiot.
Blast it all!
And the third was just really bad players. Always feels like that, doesn't it? It's like my every game, dude.
Be careful! I have you now! Sorry.
Alright. Art beads and Athena ult.
Enemy ultimate.
Awesome. Enemy spotted! Be careful, right.
Because if you level the fire, it increases
No
the
problem. You are
we're against 3
fabulous.
tanks, right? So if I level the fire, it increases the percent damage per tick.
On my way. Watch yourself. I'll attack left leg.
Okay. Okay.
Beware the shifting sands.
And also you can't miss fire.
Your middle tower is under attack.
I'm
Ultimate is
Coolio,
ready.
so don't rely on me to hit change, you feel me?
Dude, that guy is literally a bot.
An ally has been
Enemies
slain.
in middle lane. Enemies in middle lane. Enemies in middle lane. Your middle tower is under attack.
An enemy has been slain.
Beware the shifting sands. Sorry. Enemies in middle lane. No problem. Easily. I will be right back. You rock. Be careful left.
See? Like that. I could have soloed her right there. Feels bad. Is it 1450? No, it's just 14. I'll wait in base.
Now I am ready for battle.
Yeah.
Be right back.
Shit happens. Alright.
Enemy missing right. Your right tower is under attack.
Did we kill this art yet? No. What's on her? 1-1? 4-1. Where's on her? 3-9. Okay, my on her's a little hurt. I'm not lying, he's feeling it.
Enemy missing middle. Okay,
An enemy has been
cancel
slain.
that.
Oh, dude, are we taking on this Arthur? Yeah, we are. Cooley Pro over here. Dude, we need to come up with more Coolio puns. And we just need to put them all in like a vote for the next emote. Because that's going to be the emote done by
We
Mo.
need walls.
Coolio no. Yeah, that's one in the running. That is one 100% in the running. Coolio no. We thought of like Coolio no. Coolio, oh my god. Feels bad.
We need walls. I have you now.
Fight me.
Be right back. You are fabulous. No problem. I'm rocking.
Easy solo. Fuck, I'm dead, bitch.
You've been slain.
Be careful left.
My ass is trolling. I started looking at chat and just started dancing. And I fucking give that Athena a solo kill. Makes me want to cry.
Enemy ultimate down.
Enemy missing right. Be careful middle.
Feels bad.
Your right tower is under
Oh.
attack.
Oh, by the way, if any of you clip that shit, you're reported and blocked.
Kneel before me.
Cooley, whoa, that did a lot of damage.
Enemies in middle lane. Nice job.
Okay.
Cooley, whoa. Cooley, who's a good one. Alright, Cooley, whoa, yeah.
Keep a lookout for spies.
You have slain an enemy.
It is over.
Impressive.
She jumped in spot. Feels
Your
bad.
team has destroyed a left enemy.
Did I steal her target? If so, sorry, I'm trolling. Oh wait, is that my red buff?
Gank right lane.
kill Stilio. Wow, dude, you're just a machine, a fucking freak of
Dude,
nature.
that guy is literally a bot.
Sorry. I have you now.
Oh my god, get farmed, idiot.
Beware the shifting sands. Enemy missing middle. Retreat right lane.
Poggers!
Alright.
Sorry. Retreat right lane.
But Thoth coming in here? Can we frag a Thoth? Guess not. We'll frag a Voidstone for my boy
No one
Zeus.
can handle this. Your left tower is under attack. Enemy missing.
Don't act like
Your
what's for
middle
Zeus.
tower is under attack.
I have red buff. Forgot about that one. Alright, I need to rotate.
Gank middle lane.
Enemy spotted. Okay. Goodbye. Enemy spotted.
Have
Fun.
Let's go, baby.
Thank you.
No
You're
problem.
electric. Enemy spotted. Your left tower is under attack.
Enemy missing. Retreat middle lane.
Poggers!
I'm actually a freak of nature, brothers!
Nice!
Brethren!
That guy
Brethren!
is
I'm so
literally
good.
a bot.
Impressive.
Thank you. Be right back. Champion.
I'm sorry. Did you want some? Jump stun, jump stun, jump stun, jump stun. I bolstered your defenses!
Be right. Middle tower is under attack.
Oh, the void? Yeah, true. That's not for Zeus, that's 100% for me. Brethren! Coolie bro!
Scream.
That could be one coolie bro. Coolie bro. Easy game.
Group up.
Sold my fucking back
Enemy
camps
missing
easy.
middle. Fire giant.
Coolie, go back to base. Coolie, get out of my game. Coolie, go away.
Enemy ultimate down.
Thanks. Be right back. Be careful.
That wasn't me. I don't know who the fuck that was. Missing out here, missing area shit.
Enemy missing.
Oh shit!
Retreat right lane.
I just passed that man's in the jungle and like didn't say shit. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, why are you here, bitch? Did you just?
I have you now.
He beats! Get back here, idiot!
Poggers!
You're dumb. You're dumb. You're dumb.
Attack.
I'm going, brother. Let's go, bro. I sprinted again. Where we? Nah, fuck this art, bro. Fuck this art. What you think you're doing to my mans? He's bolstered. Fucking. Nah, percent damage, brother. Run away. Yeah, you best. You best. We're coming around, bro. Where are you going? He got speed buff, Kali. You're gonna have to stun him, honey. I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna try and big brain it.
Your left tower.
He saw through it. He saw through the big brain. He's coming back this way. He's coming back this
Your
way.
team has destroyed a middle enemy tower.
Ha! Fuck. You're bolstered. Get him. Ha! I'm so good. Bye, Mifflin. Get out of my game, Mifflin. I'm joking. I don't have nothing against you, Mifflin. Where am I going? The fuck do I even want to build, bro? Jade. 2 warriors.
I'll attack middle lane.
Dude, I don't know. I don't think I deserve the name Chain Meister. I missed too many of my chains to be a Chain Meister. Yeah,
Enemy missing
like
left.
I was saying at the
Enemy missing
beginning
left.
though of this
Be
game,
careful,
and I just
middle.
remembered. First game of the day, I'm on my team's Incon, right? We frag. Second game ain't nobody, right? Third game it's Hot Bow in them,
Enemy ultimate
and then this
damage
game
spotted.
it's fucking
I'm
Mifflin.
returning to base.
I just got peeps in my game, bro.
Keep your friends
Oh,
close.
Zeus, I was gonna do that,
Your
bro.
enemies close. Lightning
Oh, she already had it charged?
On my way.
I have you now.
You ain't got shit, you ain't got shit.
Get out of this.
My hell?
Oh, you lucky I got slowed by
That's
something.
too bad.
That was
What
nuts.
the fuck? Oh, goofy ass, get out of here.
Trips.
Wait a second.
I'll attack.
Poggers.
Just doing my job. An enemy has been slain.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Double kill. Jeffrey, I'm fragging.
I don't know where you dashing, baby, but it ain't the safety. Ha!
You've slain an enemy.
You better, F6. You better.
Ha ha ha! Close call.
Get out of my rank game. What a game. All of you get something.